Hello everyone and welcome to Murphy's Law Garage. Today we fix what we broke on the Bronco. Dang it. So two things that we know of so far. We got a beauty mark. So two things that we know of so far. We've got a beauty mark on the intercooler, which is no big deal because when we originally got it, it was dented right here in shipping and all we did was make the dent bigger. This plate at the bottom is just for structure. It doesn't pass air and we've bent a few fins. So all I'm gonna do is tap that a little straighter and then put some paint back on it. And then this bar, which I've already tapped straight some to pull it away from the evaporator back here. I'm just gonna probably pull it off, tap it a little straighter and call it good. But the one we really got is this part of the steering arm right here. If you can tell, it's got a nice bend in it right there. It's got a nice bend in it right there. And I know it's a little hard to see on camera, but that is very bent. And because of that, with the wheel turned straight, this side is straight-ish, and this one is very, very, very not. Well, hello, Grace. Let's get to fixing that. All right, well, we're almost got it out. I don't think that that's supposed to look that way. The other one, we're not quite sure. I think she's supposed to have a little bend to her like that. That's what the pictures look like anyways. Joint feels all right. So does that one, and that one feels okay. So let's get that bar replaced and try to get our wheels straight again.
Hey folks, so this is our new pretty passenger side inner tie rod. The old one, as you can see, we've got a hump here that we don't have here. So we're just guessing that's our issue. Why the truck is pigeon-toed since we tried to climb over a car with it. And this appears to have been warped, kind of.
Yeah, it's actually bent the other direction,
it's
isn't
like,
it?
Yeah, like flopped over.
That's impressive. This part gets to go. I mean, we bought the same part over again, to be fair.
I like our background.
It's, yeah. Hunting background, but it's because we don't plan to try to ram the truck into a car again rolling over it. That was a one-shot ordeal. I chalk this up to the 40s. That steering pitment, whatever the hell, what is this thing called?
This is the inner tie rod.
The inner tie rod arm. It just wasn't built for 40s, and it didn't like that very much. And if any of you guys are out there in Broncos doing rough things, I'm sure you guys who go rock bouncing and stuff know this already, but in case you didn't, even a Moog tie rod, not going to hold up to a big tire. I don't imagine this would have been much different with a 37, though I did roll at what was probably a solid 20 miles an hour into a stationary object on purpose, and it came to a hard stop. In fact, I'm going to put a clip of the video right now. Painful to watch, isn't it? Let's get this replaced. All right. Got the new tie rod in with the cotter pins in. We've got the adjustments loose, so we're going to run a string and try to get these suckers square. Oh, it's a good sign. Hopefully nothing else is broken. The Wheels are pretty straight as it is. Might be pointing out a little bit on this side. And I've got the steering wheel pinned straight right now. Let's get this done. All right. Got our string alignment done. This side nice and straight. Uncle David's putting a little grease on all the moog joints. Got this side done. Steering wheel is straight up and down. It actually wasn't quite when it went to the alignment shop, so we've got that fixed. And we've got the toe set at just about a 16th in to ensure we don't have any neutral harmonics. All right, well, let's go for a drive. Well, Uncle David, looks like we have another candidate for the it's so bad, for the MLG Wall of Fame. Now, before any of you assholes on the typer go complaining about the fact that we put the same exact part back, this is cheap. This is like 60 bucks on the internet. We would much prefer for this to turn into a limp noodle than damage a knuckle or anything else. So, Uncle David, let's see if we can make this stick real quick. Maybe some movie magic. Something right about. And there we go. MLG Wall of Shame it goes. Well, everyone, thanks for coming along with us to fix the silly crap I broke on the Bronco. Thank you, Uncle David, for helping me fix your own truck.
Perfectly fine.
Y'all have a good one. Catch y'all later. Peace.